I am here at the base of Croagh, as you can see, and we are about to figure a great journey to Croagh. Hello, we've made it halfway up Croagh, and we are absolutely knackered. And I am so bored.
Do you have anything else to add?
I do not.
Like you forgot your hat and your gloves?
I forgot my hat and my gloves, and I'm freezing cold. Come on.
Do you want to explain anything about the view?
Lots of scenery around the place. It's lovely.
I'll get back to you in 10 minutes.
And we'll get back to you in 10 minutes.
Go!
Hello!
Shout!
Hello, we are halfway up here, and we can see the other side. I am falling over.
Shout!
I am leaning against it. My hands are going to fall off me because I've got my gloves and my hat. And I feel bad because there's another 15 miles to go. I feel bad.
So Eric, we're nearly at the top. How was your experience? The top of Zoo Patrick. First time. What about the view? Go.
Hi, I've reached the top of Croagh. I've caught my breath back.
Speak up.
I caught my breath back. I feel relaxed and I'm eating a sandwich. And I've got my loop today too.
And what's the coolest thing about being on top of Croagh?
See everything.
You can see everything.
Yeah.
So are you going to bring your kids when you climb, when you get older?
Yeah.
You're going to bring your family up here, torture your kids.
Oh yeah.
Look at the big black cloud level with us. Are you looking forward to going down?
Nope.
We stay up here for the night.
The church.
Do you want to take a video first? Recording.
Is this still recording?
Yep. Congratulations, Aaron. You made it all the way to the top. You've done it well. You've done it great.
Thank
Where
you,
do you
Dad.
The clouds are rushing past.
Now I have to end this video. Thank you for watching Aaron, Manny and McGovern's videos. Thank you for
Your arm is going to be still.
Hello.
They know you already.
Thanks for coming down from climbing Croagh. And this has been an amazing thing. The water. I've climbed the mountain. I've managed to come down on her.